Following deadly shootings in its stores this summer, Walmart's saying today it will discontinue gun ammunition sales. This includes handgun and short barrel rifle ammunition that could be used with military-style weapons. The retailer will also stop all handgun sales in Alaska, completing its exit from handgun sales. Additionally, Walmart asking customers to no longer carry guns into its stores in open carry states.
In a memo to employees, CEO Doug McMillon saying, quote, "We've also been listening to a lot of people inside and outside our company as we think about the role we can play in helping to make the country safer. It's clear to us that the status quo is unacceptable." Former Walmart U.S. CEO Bill Simon joins us now on the phone. Bill, thanks very much for joining us. Quite a significant retailer, particularly about ammunition, that Walmart is. Do you think that ammunition sales in the U.S. will fall as a result of this, or those ammunition sales will just move elsewhere?
No, unfortunately, first of all, I think Walmart has to do what they think is the right thing to do. They've had horrible tragedies in their stores, and they needed to take some sort of action. Unfortunately, it's kind of unreasonable to ask Bentonville to solve a problem that Washington can't seem to solve. And while I would hope that this would make things safer, unfortunately, there's plenty of places to buy ammunition.
Bill, when you do see a major retailer like Walmart take a move like this, though, do you think it does add pressure to lawmakers to try and come to the table and have discussions?
I think that's the only thing that's going to solve the problem. We have a crisis that has to be dealt with, and it has to be dealt with by sitting down. Petitions to retailers, gosh, and maybe they make some people feel good because they feel like they need to take action, but they won't solve the problem. There's hundreds of millions of guns in this country, and there's somewhere between 3 and 5 million of these AR-type weapons already in circulation. So you can stop selling them, or you can stop selling ammunition. There's plenty of them, and they last 100 years. So
what do you think, Bill, of all of the action that Doug McMillon has taken here, and whether or not it's going to hurt the retailer?
Well, first of all, I think Doug and the team at Walmart had to take some sort of action, and this was thoughtful. Whether it'll be impactful on the overall issue in the country, it's very difficult to say. It's such a divisive issue. There's half of the country that will cheer it, and a good portion that will not. And it's tough as a retailer to have to take a position on those things. But when action happens like happened in El Paso, I think they're left with no choice.
And Bill, to that point, I realize that you don't work for the company now, but that you did oversee those U.S. operations in the past. What do you think went into making the decision today and the specifics around it? The company, and every company, but Walmart in particular, doesn't get a lot of credit for having a lot of thoughtfulness and a lot of heart. And first and foremost, every decision at Walmart is made with the focus on the customer. And so I think the shooting in El Paso really jarred them from a customer safety perspective. It was always the disaster scenario that we'd always thought, and worried about and trained for, and it happened. And I think they felt like they needed to do something. So it was a difficult decision, I'm sure it was, but one that they felt like they needed to take, I'm sure.
Bill Simon, thanks for joining us.